Hey guys, welcome to Makiya's Science Corner. Today I'm going to be making sticky, slippery goop. And let's get started to the video. Cornstarch, a plastic bowl, blue food dye, a wooden stick, gear gum, 2 measuring cups, 1 big, 1 small. And we need 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Make sure you get all of it out from my gloves. Now you need 25 milliliters of water. Now stir it up with the wooden stick. You need 1 teaspoon of blue food coloring. Okay, make sure you don't waste it. And look at the bright color. Kind of hard to mix. Cornstarch is really hard. If it's too watery, add more cornstarch. If it's too hard, add more water. Mine is too watery, so I gotta add more cornstarch. You can either add gear gum if you don't want to, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of it. I'm probably gonna add like 7 or 2 a little bit of gear gum in there. See what it does. Don't even have to use gear gum if you want to, but yeah, I just want to. I'm adding all of it. Boom, 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 boom. Look! Slime! Slime. Mix. I'm gonna start mixing with my hands now. I'll start mixing my hands. It's slime, kind of. It's kind of like sticky though. There you have it, sticky, slimy goop. Tune in next time to Makiya's Corner.